Okay, so welcome to Quick Calculus, and in this video we'll be talking about the Squeeze Theorem. So, yung Squeeze Theorem, to put it in basic terms, ito ay ginagamit natin to get limits of complex functions, no? So, usually, ginagamit yung Squeeze Theorem kapag we have trigonometric functions, no? Kasi yung squeeze theorem, sinasabi niya na if we have a function f of x that is less than g of x that is less than h of x, and if we get the limit, no? So the limit as x approaches a of f of x, and limit as x approaches a of g of x, limit as x approaches a of h of x, and the limit as x approaches a of f of x is equal to L, and the limit as h of x as x approaches a is also L, then meaning that the limit as x approaches a of g of x is also equal to L. Okay? So para mas mapadali pa natin, no, I can put up some steps, no? So first one is get known expression with bounds, no? So ano ibig sabihin natin dyan? So for example, alam natin na we have sin x, and alam natin na yung range ng sin x is just from -1 to 1. Tama? And cosine x, alam natin is also from -1 to 1. So we have a known expression here, and we know the bounds, no? So -1 to 1, -1 to 1. Okay? Second step is to manipulate the equation to form the desired expression. So, what do we mean by that, no? So, we can do is to add, to subtract, multiply, divide, pwede rin natin exponents. So, ginagawa lang natin to get the desired expression. Okay? And lastly, we get the limit. Get the limit of f of x and h of x. Okay? And kapag the limit of f of x and h of x is equal to L, then we know that the limit as x approaches a of g of x is also equal to L. Okay? So, ngayon medyo generic pa lang siya, pero as we use this in examples, mas maintindihan natin siya. So, in the next video, I'll be solving an example involving squeeze theorem. So, see you in the next video.